So I got these wireless earbuds on Amazon and I absolutely love them. So I'll just pull them out and show you. First of all, the case is really cool. They fit in super snug and it's kind of got like a magnetic closure so they don't move about, they're really secure. Then it's the kind of earbud that loops around your ear. So you put it in there and this part goes over the ear. So it's just extra secure. I want to get into running, I want to get into jogging. And so I got these because I didn't want them to fall out of my ear. It's very easy to charge. So it's got a little bit at the back where you can put in the cable that's provided. So it's a USB-C, USB cable. So that just goes in there. It's pretty quick to charge and then it holds charge for so long. I was really impressed because I've been using these quite a lot, like pretty much every day for the last 2 weeks, and it held charge for like the whole time. I've only just topped it up recently. It also comes with a few different extra what they call like the rubber bits that go on the end. They're different sizes, so I think you've got smaller and larger in here. To be honest, I just like the size that they came with. It's pretty standard. Another feature I like is that it shows you on the display how well charged they are. I think it's flickering on this camera, but it doesn't flicker in real life. I just think that's the video. So yeah, currently 91%, and it's also marked left and right. So overall, absolutely love these wireless earbuds, and I would definitely recommend them in terms of how cool they look, how comfortable they are, the battery life, and the overall quality.